Hi everybody. Now this cake is for Tammy, who lives in Washington State, and she's asked me for a cake without refined sugar, without white flour, and it turns out to be virtually fat-free. It's obviously gluten-free, and the only flavours are coming from the fruits and the honey that I've put in there. There's no raising agent. It's given me the runaround, I can tell you that, but it is a very nice little cake. Let me show you. I'm zesting my fruits and then cutting off the peel because that's really bitter, and then in with the flesh, and then 50 ml of water, cook 5 to 10 minutes, and then blitz that to a puree. And then in a bowl I've simply got honey, eggs and a drop of oil. Whisk that till it's really fluffy, and then in with ground almonds and the fruit puree. Cooks for 45 minutes and it's a very nice little cake.